Beautiful people, it's a girl Queen and Nikki. In this today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to coil hair, like how to coil your wig, how to roll it, and how to make it last longer. So we'll be using setting rollers. So guys, stay tuned and let's jump into the tutorial. First thing, you achieve the coiling part on a clean hair, and if your wig is actually washed, you can also do that. So first thing, you wash the hair. After that, you go ahead and you begin to section the hair. After that, what I'm spraying on it is water and leave-in conditioner just to moisturize the hair. Like, you know, you want to roll the hair, you cannot roll it while it's dry, so you have to make it wet to make it easier for you and for you to achieve a better coils. So guys, after that, make sure if you are doing this party, can you see the way I place my rollers? You don't roll it upside down, you place your rollers up, you roll it out. Can you see? So that the coils will come out well and you'll be able to, you know. So guys, can you see? So if you are doing this particular rolling, take your time, watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end. So after rolling it down, you use your rubber band just to secure it. Make sure it's firm so that you won't get disappointed. Make sure it's firm. Can you see? And while you are trying to roll it, guys, make sure you are cutting it small so that the hair will look very full. So you don't make it too big. Cut it small, then you'll be able to achieve a better coils. So guys, this setting rollers method is a kind of method that also lasts when we're talking about coils. You don't want your coils to get scattered on time, then I'm telling you to use this particular method. Try it and let me know how do you guys enjoy watching this video. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into this channel. And for my new subscribers, you are all welcome. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate every one of you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit subscribe button to join this family so that you will not miss out. Follow Queen and Nikki. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video to your friends and family. Hit subscribe button, guys. Don't forget, don't be carried away while you're trying to watch the video. Press subscribe button. So guys, can you see? Please let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy this particular video. So some people believe it's only bending rollers you can use to achieve a better coils. No, for this particular one, if you are using this rollers method, you have to take your time to roll it. It's not something you can do within 20 minutes. It's not fast method. Like if you're trying to use this method, you got to take your time to do it. And after doing it, after rolling it, you roll it line by line. Can you see? It's not something you just overpack it. You won't be able to achieve the coils you want. But when you are taking your time to section it, take it small, then you guys will love the outcome of what you are doing. Can you see, guys? Make sure you take your time if you want to use this method. It's not like bending rollers that you can pack as much as possible and roll it at a time. If you are using this method, you got to take your time. Can you see, guys? And you need enough rubber band to secure it, to make it firm. After rolling it, guys, you need to dry it. But to me, I prefer it drying on its own. I don't use hand dryer. So after rolling it, I'll take it outside and leave it for like 3 to 4 hours to dry on its own. Then after that, I go ahead and remove the rollers. Guys, see the outcome of this coil. Yes, this is how I'm taking my time to remove the rubber band. You don't rush yourself. This method is not method you need to rush. you take your time while you are rolling, you take your time while you are removing the rollers as well. Can you see, guys? So guys, let me know if you guys enjoy watching this video. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know. I'll be glad to upload your request. Can you see, guys? See the way I'm taking my time to remove the rollers, and this is the outcome of this. This is the outcome of it. Check it out. Opo. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.